Carcinosin, because of parental domination, highest grade. If a child is put to different disciplines and tasks by the parents, highest graded drug is carcinosin. Parental domination, number one. Scholastically backward because the child is not able to cope with the demands and lot of pressure, cannot express. And what is the feeling of a carcinosin? Like what he said, like imprisoned. He is feeling he is in a prison. I can't come out of it. I am really targeted by everybody. Everyone in the family is targeting me and saying, I must come first, I must do this, I must do that. So there is a problem. The other most important thing which we have to understand that, though I said this is not the drug, that is not the drug and explained, this could not be the factor, this could not be the factor, but almost all of them are, if not 100% correct, but at least more than 60% they are correct, because in the words of Dr. Kasim Chintanwala, you would have heard his name from Nagpur, he wrote very beautifully in a small booklet, a no-sode is multi-polycrust. Poly means many. Already it is a polycrust, but a no-sode is multi-polycrust. There are quite a number of polycrusts in one no-sode. Like for example, tuberculinum, phosphorus is there, Nux vomica is there, so on. Calcarea carb is there, Calcarea fas is there. So likewise, if you are lost in the wilderness, not able to select the right remedy, no-sode would definitely come to your rescue. Here we selected Beretta carb basing on his scholastic performance, but because we understood the parental domination, we went straight to carcinosin in this case. The other case, this man of erectile dysfunction, what would be your drug of choice? It is again carcinosin. Actually, to be frank with you, I told this doctor, because he is a doctor, I told him, I can't treat you. Straight away my first response to him, this is a negative tactic. I said, I can't treat you. Very difficult, sir. Sir, how can it be, sir? My grandmother told that her severe problem has come down, so you please treat me. I said, I can't treat, very difficult, because you have already been given a lot of medicines and you have been counseled, you have tried everything, you know it very well. So cornering him straight away. Then he almost surrendered. He said, no sir, whatever you tell me, I will do it. I will stop all the medications. This at times works when the person comes from other discipline, because they have some limited understanding of our system and their mindset is in their own groove. They expect you to take the tablet today morning and today evening you will have normal erection. This will not happen. And I told him also, you have tried Viagra which did not work, which is intended for that did not work. So don't expect a miracle by overnight or 2 days. So this is what very much needed, most of you must be doing it also, but I just wanted to tell you at this point because it helped a lot to keep his mind under control. Then I told him, now you take this medicine at 8 p.m. every day, though of course one dose was given on the very first day and 8 p.m. is only to psychologically maneuver that, not that every time we were giving a medicine, because allopathic mind says every time there should be a medicine. This was helpful to at least 10 to 20%. Then I told him and I talked to the mother who was also my patient. Well, I didn't know this factor earlier till the son came onto the picture. So then she said, no sir, I realized that now I am not talking to him, I am not dominating, I am not doing all that. I realized all that. So that parental domination, now it no longer exists. There is a very congenial atmosphere. Everything is fine. But what happens, as we believe in one old adage in English, when the eyes don't weep, organs weep. When it was time for his eyes to weep, when he was cornered, when he was tensed, when he was forced, when he was dominated, he could not do it. Now it is a time for his organs to weep now. Slowly, steadily they are responding. You can't have a clear explanation why this fellow has developed erectile dysfunction now. Why not at that time? At that time he did not have marriage. He married only few years back. That is one point. Second point, every mental aspect when it is curbed or suppressed will show its effect on some organ or the other, if not on mind alone. It can show on heart or head or anything. Here it has shown on this area. So it has helped him, and literally he was in tears when he came next time after 1 month to thank. He said, I can't expect and I can't express it in words. He can't, because a carcinosin cannot express well. Had it been somebody else, he would have expressed. So his constitution is basically carcinosin, has been bearing the brunt, has been bearing all that. So that's what we thought, carcinosin should help him. So he was helped by that. Lot of that exam tension, psychological worry, these things. In fact, I thought that examination tension part I wanted to take and then think in terms of giving him gelsemium, because gelsemium also has got erectile dysfunction, nervous weakness, erectile dysfunction, examination tension earlier and all that. But here when we went into life space, understood him. So there, that's what I keep telling, constitution is not by just mere expression of symptoms. If you happen to go by the symptoms alone, maybe gelsemium scores more than carcinosin. If you really do the repertorization, taking only symptoms, carcinosin may not come up at all. And Kent's repertory does not have carcinosin at all. Maybe 1 or 2 here and there rubrics, nowhere it is mentioned. You may go to Robin Murphy, you may go to complete repertory, you may go to other synthesis, any book. But yet, it will fall short in terms of its marks. But we have to understand how he has been coped with, what is his mental makeup, his disposition, how it has reflected on his physique. That would help in the constitution. Now this lady, this drug you can tell very good, early profuse and prolonged menses. What is her drug? The drug is highly intelligent fellow, double PG. What could be the drug of choice in this? Ignitia. Ignitia is highly conscientious, like RM Met or carcinosin or causticum, highly conscientious. Lycopodium. Why? Highly intelligent Lycopodium. She has expectations. Did she? High expectations of others, and they are not complying with her expectation. To a certain extent correct, but not completely. But it is to a certain extent correct. Haji? Platina. Platina, early profuse prolonged. Little difficult here to say, segregate that. To a level when we say here in this, platina also is difficult to be satisfied with any level, because everybody looks like pygmy. Whatever comes in the way will not comply with. Not very jolly. That's what I am coming to that point. Actually they are very egotistic and they will not be jolly and easy going lady. Platina cannot be easy going. You can't touch platina. Kali carb. Kali carb cannot have that type of high expectations. She will not reject. Kali carb will get married faster. Kali carb will not reject a boy. Will not say, hey, इनको ये कमी है, उनको वो कमी है, वैसा नहीं बोलेगा. Here is a lady who did not marry anybody. Huh? Yes, please. Natrum Moore. In fact, Natrum Moore is rejected, but Natrum Moore does not reject anybody. If we read the Natrum Moore constitution, Natrum Moore, why Natrum Moore, Kent writes in one point